Okay. A similar question to what we just did. A sweater is on sale for 40% off the original price. Now the sale price is $19.20. That is the amount of money I will pay for the sweater. That's the sale price, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and fill in the percent. The sale price is $19.20. That is the amount that I will pay for the sweater. What is the original price of the sweater? That's the full and total price that it was to start with. So that's the thing that I'm solving for. I'm trying to figure out what did it cost originally. Now, this is what it cost after they took 40% off of it. So what that means is this is 60% of the original cost. Because once again, if you have 100% and someone takes off 40%, well then the part you still have to pay for is 60%. So $19.20 is the 60%. So now, once again, here's my bat and here's the ball. I'm going to multiply the bat, $19.20 times 100, and that's going to be 1,920. And I'm going to divide that by 60. So 3 times 60 is 180, and 2 times 60 is 120. So the original cost of the sweater was $32. You don't have to have those 2 zeros there, but it's $32. Originally, they took 40% off. It cost $19.20 on sale. All right, this question is similar to the one we just did. A sweater is on sale for 40% off the original price. The sale price is $19.20. That is what they are going to sell the sweater for. That is the amount that I'll pay for the sweater. What is the original price of the sweater? That's the question they're asking. What is the original price of the sweater? So what I know for sure is that the sale price is $19.20. I know this end is 0%. I know this end is 100%. I'm trying to find out the full and total price for these sweater originally before the discount. That's the answer that I'm seeking. Now, this is what I'll pay for it. Remember that if they're selling something at 100%, but then they take 40% off of it, then the sale price is 60%. The sale price is 60% of the original cost. 100% minus 40%. So I'm going to do the bat, multiply the bat, and divide by the ball again. So $19.20 times 100 is 1,920. I'm going to divide that by the ball, 60. And 2 times 60 is 120. So the original cost of the sweater was $32, and then they put the sweater on sale, 40% off, and sold it for $19.20. Some things to notice: percent is on this side, money is on this side. Multiply the bat and divide by the ball.